Hi everyone, this is Samiksha Dashora and welcome back on the learning platform of TANIUM Education. Today I am going to teach you collocations related to the education. But now in this time, it is a challenge for you all that you have to write your education background by using these vocabulary words in the comment section. And let's see how many of you can do this task. So let's begin the video without the further delay. I'll tell you vocabulary words with the examples. So the first word is vocational education, which means the kind of education that prepares a student for career or professions. For example, the trainers have a program to teach them vocational skills. The next word is educationalist, which means a person who has a special knowledge of the principle and methods of teaching. For instance, he was a distinguished educationalist who fought for the retention. The next word is elementary education. Elementary education, called as primary education, the first stage traditionally found in formal education, beginning at about age of 5 to 7 and ending at about age 11 to 13. In the United Kingdom and other countries, the term primary is used instead of elementary. For example, she was very shy when she was in elementary school. The next word is polytechnics. They are similar to the universities, but in polytechnics, the courses tend to be more practically oriented. For example, all the polytechnic students were studying on conversion programs. The next word is tertiary education. This would be the familiar for you, but you have never used it before. It refers to the education at the college or university level. For example, the boundaries between vocational education and the tertiary education are becoming more blurred. The next word is curriculum. The subjects which are included in a course of study or taught in an educational institute, a school, a college or an institute. For example, his early life was occupied in mastering the curriculum of medical and mathematics. The next word is syllabus. A list of the topics, books, etc. the student have to study in a particular school subject or a particular subject at the university. For example, the new syllabus allows students greater freedom of choice. The next word is e-learning. This would be also the familiar one for you. It is a type of education and training that uses information technology such as computer and the internet. For example, the forecast for the growth of e-learning are becoming more extravagant by this month. The next word is active learning. In this type of learning, students learn by doing things rather than sitting at the desk, reading, listening to the teacher or doing exercise inside or outside of the school. For example, active learning engages students in learning using activities such as reading, writing, discussion or problem solving. TANIUM offers you active learning program. The next word is mental agility, which means the ability to think quickly and clearly. For example, you can increase your mental agility by exercising your brain. The next word is student counselor, a person who is trained to listen to students and give them piece of advice about their personal problem. For example, his father was also an educational counselor and played piano and organ for silent films. The next word is virtual classroom. A virtual classroom is an online classroom learning space that allow both educators, that is teachers, and learners to interact with each other over the internet rather than in the physical classroom. A virtual classroom may include variety of features such as video conferencing, instant messaging, a digital whiteboard, group chat, etc. For example, with video conferencing technology, a virtual classroom can be imagined where teachers and pupils no longer need to leave home. The next word is bibliography. A list of websites of electronic works. The next word is bibliography, a list of websites of electronic works about a particular subject that have been used by a person writing book, an article or etc. For example, when I was putting the original bibliographies together in the summary of 1997, I came across so much of good and funny stuff. The next word is Webzine. Quite new, right? A magazine that is published on the internet, not on the paper. For example, the Webzine established the Battle of the Bands. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget our challenge, and we will see that how many sentences you will write in the comment section below. Stay tuned to the Titanium Education. Thank you.